How lentil sprouts may be consumed. Lentils are a great source of protein, fiber, and other important nutrients, and sprouting them can enhance their nutritional value. In this video, we will explore some common ways to consume lentil sprouts and the different types of lentils used in each application. Lentil sprouts can be consumed in a variety of ways, depending on personal preference and culinary traditions. Here are a few common ways to eat lentil sprouts, along with the types of lentils commonly used in each application. Raw, lentil sprouts can be eaten raw as a snack or added to salads for a crunchy texture and added nutrition. Any type of lentil can be sprouted and eaten raw, but some common lentil types for sprouting include green lentils, French green lentils, and black beluga lentils. Cooked, lentil sprouts can be lightly sautéed or stir-fried with other vegetables for a quick and healthy side dish. Red lentils, green lentils, and brown lentils are commonly used in cooked dishes like soups, stews, and curries. Blended, lentil sprouts can be blended into dips or spreads, such as hummus or lentil spread, to add flavor and nutrition. Red lentils or green lentils are often used in dips or spreads. Baked, lentil sprouts can be baked into savory snacks, such as lentil chips or crackers, for a healthy alternative to traditional potato chips or crackers. French green lentils or black beluga lentils are often used to make lentil chips or crackers because of their small size and firm texture. Soup or stew, lentil sprouts can be added to soups or stews, like lentil soup, for added texture and nutrition. Brown lentils, green lentils, and red lentils are commonly used in soups and stews because they hold their shape well when cooked. In conclusion, some of the common ways to enjoy lentil sprouts, along with the different types of lentils used in each application. Whether you prefer them raw, cooked, blended, baked, or in a soup or stew, lentil sprouts can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein functionality and how to apply them in meat alternatives. If you wish to formulate with lentils or lentil products, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome human or pet food, meat alternatives. Contact us today.